One of the outstanding characteristics of the ocean is its power and its scale. It's a mystical world, really. And in a storm, it is just awe-inspiring. But what most of us living on land don't realize is that we are actually connected to the ocean by sounds that we cannot hear. Even at home, ground vibration sounds are coming in from the ocean, whipping underneath our feet, vibrating our table, vibrating our house. But they're just below our detection range. It's like a broken one-way conversation. I suppose for me, realizing that we're connected to the ocean through sound is special because it allows us access to the ocean. The ocean is very remote, it's hard to access, and here we have it sending us information all of the time. Maybe we can stop, maybe we can listen.
So what exactly am I looking at here?
Vibrations coming in from the ocean and traveling through the earth.
What we want to do is bring those sounds into the human realm so that we can complete the loop and build a two-way connection. So we put hydrophones in the water and they are our ears in the ocean. They tell us about the sound that's traveling in the water, just as our ears tell us about sound. When we get that hydrophone data back to land, it gives us the soundscape in the ocean. We can hear biological activity, human activity, sound generated by ocean wave-wave interaction, the whole soundscape. But the amazing thing is that the sounds in the ocean travel through the seafloor and into the solid earth, and then they can be detected on land-based seismometers that can detect really small ground vibrations. For me, the most amazing finding we have from this work is that we looked at seismic stations that are about 3 kilometers from the coast. And on those stations, we detected fin whale calls. Fin whales in the ocean, vibrating the ground up to 3 or 4 kilometers from the coast. It absolutely knocked me off my seat. The first thing I thought was, I imagined a family getting up for breakfast. Everybody is sitting at the kitchen table. A fin whale starts to sing. Within 2 seconds, their table is vibrating with whale song. In fact, their whole house is vibrating with whale song, and they have no idea. I just thought this is such a beautiful thing, such a poetic thing. And there is our connection back to the ocean, that broken connection that we need to build, that bridge that we need to build back to this beauty. A fantastic way to bring people into this conversation is through music. Over the past decade or more, I've been working with visual and with sound artists. So we're taking the basic sounds, the ground vibrations that we're measuring, and we're creating artistic pieces, musical pieces. We play them, we think about the ocean, we attempt to talk back. The mistake we often make in science is to bury the emotional, stating facts and figures to a few decimal places. It dries everything up, it just takes the beauty out of it. And it's very hard for people to engage. The arts counterbalances that. And so we need this collaboration between arts and science if we're to get the full bandwidth, the full story out to people. By listening to the ocean, what it has to say to us through these remote sounds, we can develop a more empathetic relationship with the ocean in the future. The ocean has been treated poorly by us humans. What we would like to see as one of the outcomes of this work is to get people connected better to the ocean. Do we care about the ocean as much as we care about our pet? If we can get to that point, then we will treat the ocean better.